Remember, on this one we're gonna go at the edge right here. Just let it go. Turn, run, right there. Fine, and let it go. There you go. Okay, you see, it's alive in here. We don't have this one, it's gone. Pushing down a little bit because it's hot. Really hot today. Okay, here I'm going to remove my gravity stop. I'm in my anchor. I can get my other suction cup a little bit more easy. It's a little tall, a little high, this truck. And let them go right there. And that's all, guys. Alignment, and all. Okay, so we're finished today. So gotta keep going because it's a Saturday and it's a really busy day. Okay, 1999 Chevy Brisbane with the Quickset. Thank you, guys. See you next shot.